Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Coinbase to Lssc, easy method. First, log into Coinbase and enable API access in Settings. Next, open Lssc and choose Exchange Integrations. Create a new API key in Coinbase with trading permissions only and copy the key and secret. Paste them into Lssc, test the connection, and save. If you see errors, double-check permissions and IP restrictions before retrying and restarting. To secure your connection, enable two-factor authentication on Coinbase and Lssc immediately. Limit API permissions to only trading and withdraw as needed, ideally disable withdraws. Record the API key and secret in a safe password manager and never share them. Optionally restrict API access by IP addresses used by Lssc. After saving, monitor small test trades or balance checks to confirm everything works and to catch issues early today. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while tracking crypto, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable screen time and long battery life. It fits in one hand, stores thousands of books, and reads in bright sunlight without glare. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy guides. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the connection fails, review error messages in Lssc and Coinbase promptly. Check that API key, secret, and permissions match exactly and that no extra spaces were copied. Confirm that any IP whitelist in Coinbase includes Lssc IPs or leave it blank for initial setup. Clear cache or restart both apps, then retry. If problems persist, contact Coinbase or Lssc support with screenshots and timestamps for faster resolution. Please respond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.